We'll guide you through how to make angled text in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make angled text in After Effects, begin by opening your Windows search bar and typing After Effects into it, so the program appears in the results. Click the After Effects application to open it, then wait for it to load fully. Once the program is ready, click New Composition so you can start with a clean workspace. After the composition is created, move your pointer down to the timeline area at the bottom of the screen, right-click it, and wait for the menu to show up. From the menu that appears, select New, and inside the New section choose Text, so a text box is added to your composition. When the text box shows up, type in the text you want to angle. Take a moment to edit the text by adjusting the words, size, or style until it matches what you want. When the text looks right, click the text layer in the timeline so it is selected and active. With the text layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets panel on the right side of the screen. Click the search bar at the top of that panel and type corner pin so the effect shows up in the search results. Once you see the corner pin effect, drag it directly onto the text layer or click it once to apply it. After the effect is applied, look for the Effect Controls panel, usually at the top left area of the workspace, and you will see 4-point controls for the corner pin effect. These controls let you pull each corner of the text in any direction you want. Start by selecting the first pin and move it to the place where you want the first corner of the text to sit. Then select the second pin and move it to match the angle or shape you want to create. Continue with the third pin and then the fourth one, adjusting each corner until the text forms the angle or perspective you want. You can keep moving the pins around until the text looks right, and there is no limit to how much you adjust them. Small changes can make the text look tilted, stretched, or placed in a slanted angle. So take your time and test different positions. When the angle feels correct and the shape matches what you want, you are done.